Alright, Unstoppable family, I'm back again with another video, and in this video right here, we're going to talk a little bit about the fact that so much youngsters there in Jamaica who would love to get a job but just cannot get it. Just recently I did a video where I showcased two youngsters in Jamaica right now who is reaching out to the government, and I said, please, we need your help because we have been trying to get employed for the longest and cannot get a job. Them send out whole heap of resumes and can't get a job. One of the young men in the video even mentioned that him apply to the police force, the JDF, the JCF, and them tell him say him too short. Now the question is, what is it that our youngsters in Jamaica is left to do? The other young lady says that she's a certified nurse and cannot get a job. And I was under the impression that nurses and doctors important in Jamaica. So every nurse and every doctor who is qualified should be employed. Wrong or right? Now, after I made the post to social media, Jamaican Carlos saw the video and Jamaican Carlos decided to do a live about that. And Carlos asked the question, what is the requirements to join the police force in Jamaica? Make we listen to what Carlos has to say. But before we do that, here we go on. Carlos has now started his YouTube channel and we need to show him some support. So not only follow him on Facebook, but follow him on YouTube right here as well. His channel link is right down below in the description. Click the link, go over there and leave a comment. Make sure if you subscribe and leave a comment and say, yo Carlos, Unstoppable send we over here, you know. Make him know so the Unstoppable family and give him some support. Alright? Make we take a listen.
You see a young man out there saying him send out numerous applications trying to get a job, you know. And the reason why I say something about it, you know, because sometimes we have to echo. We have to echo stuff. We have to echo, make it flow on. So Unstoppable TV just drop a video just minutes ago. And in the video, I share it on my page, people. I have to share these things. And in the video, see a young man say him have how much subject. Him try, you can't say him try. Him address the Prime Minister. Same time to give out resume after resume. Me hear a part where I'm saying even try to go in the army and the police force, but certain requirements is like a roadblock everywhere, red tape everywhere. I can't go there. We also see the other young lady. She said she's a nurse and she tried to get a job from how much years now, and she can't get a job as a nurse in Jamaica. Young people, you know. And only two of them I will see. Only two of them we see. So sometimes we see some of you guys right here say, Jamaica young people lazy and they don't want to work. Me tell you all the time, it's not true. Jamaica people not lazy. Give them an opportunity and you will see. Let me tell you why I know that Jamaica people not lazy. I've even seen them having a job openings in my country where you see them put up a sign say we're going to hire some people Monday morning. If it's 10 people them need, they will have 1,000 people showing up. Have you ever seen a new construction site when they're breaking ground for a new construction site? Have you ever seen that Monday morning when man are going to look work? In much man out there, like the whole of Jamaica. Jamaicans will left from St. Thomas, go Westmoreland to go look at a job on a construction site and sleep on the site. You don't have nowhere to sleep. You sleep on the cold concrete. Jamaicans do that all the time. There are people out there who want to work. However, this is what I want to say. I want to ask under this family. I don't know if this is true, but up here, so, me say, from your boy at Jamaica, me say you're too short, you cannot be police officer. What's the height requirement to be a police officer in Jamaica? Anybody know? How tall you have to be a police officer in Jamaica? Anybody? Do you know how tall you have to be to get in the force? Can we see that's a problem to a lot of brilliant youth and family? Enough short police, me see America. That's how I go off, you say. Anybody who travel, almost short police when they see that the force. Me see them. Short man with gun. And woman. I've seen it. Somebody say ask, what's the height requirement to become a police officer in Jamaica? Me just want to know because me see short police officer all the time. So me see short police officer, you know what happened? Somebody said 5'8". I believe we need to stop look at the height. I mean, you understand me? The height, you must can go down a little bit more with the height so you can attract more youngsters to the force. Because I've seen a lot of short police officers in America. I swear, I've see that all the time. Look, I do not know the height requirement here. Anybody know the height requirement in the United States to become a police officer? Anybody? Do you know how tall you have to be to become a police officer? Here in America, Canada, or England, in the first world country. Anybody here? Do you know? Put it right here. How tall you have to be to become a police officer over here? Come and say short police all the time. So I'm thinking in my head, is this discrimination though at Jamaica? So we talk about work, you know, because I just see Unstoppable drop a video down there, so I thought the youth don't want to work. So I'm going to discuss work in this video. So, more if you know, if you're in America, what's the height requirement to become a police officer? Put it right there so we can educate the community, teach Carlos and everybody else something, right? More if you know what the height requirement, want to show me for Jamaica, 5'8", 5'7" for women, 5'8" for men, 5'7" for women, that's in Jamaica. Peter said they make it look like the people them asked to be short. Think about it. Isn't that discrimination in Jamaica? Jamaica, and now if you look on some things, you know, because some things from back in the days, no fight, no right in the family. And two, we change the constitution from back in the colonial days. We still stuck with some stuff in our family. And with the too dunce, and with the too dark, and sitting over here, we couldn't see it. So we are getting more intelligent, and we ask questions now. Right? We ask these questions. So may I look on that as a discrimination. So a man have to be certain height. You understand me? Because I've seen very short police up here, so all the time, men and women, all the time. Yeah? Doing a good job. And you don't believe you can get around them either. No, not because you think you're 7, 8 foot tall and them short. You can't go around them. Them just as tough as the police were 6 and 7 foot. You can't go around a short police officer. Same thing. Another thing again, let me say, I'm going to ask about discrimination, because 2 females told me this. 2 females told me this. About a couple of weeks ago, this female told me that. And I want you guys to tell me, because I don't want to tell no lie and spread no misinformation on social media. So as I do these videos, I often ask you guys to comment in the comment section so we can have an understanding and educate me and the community. So somebody was telling me the other day that in Jamaica you have to have an application. When you go look application, them put from 18 to 35. Is that true? Because 2 females just tell me the other day they can't get no work. Them in them 40s. If you're 40 years old and 45, you cannot get no work in Jamaica. 2 females told me that the other day. One of them is 40, one is 45. And she told me that from, if you're not in the system between 18 and, you know, a certain, I don't forget the age you tell me, it's hard to get a job. Is it true, Jamaica? Somebody said no height, just age in the US. Maria said no height, just age in the US. You see me, I say family. You see me, I say. So some of the brilliant police officers that get cut out because of them height. The man never asked me. That's discrimination. That needs to be fixed. Thank you, family. So we could talk about the female them now, or the people who can't get work. 2 female in a recent time tell me that. Recently, told me that in Jamaica, on the application when you're looking for a job, the age requirement is 18 to 35. Is it true, people? Tell me. Tell me, also. Is it true in Jamaica? Is it 18 to 35 when you go out for a job? Do you see it on your application and it is 18 to 35? That's the requirement, age requirement. Is that true? I want to know, because I want to know if you're discriminating in Jamaica in a plain open site. Just like I tell you, say, short police, short man in Jamaica have no chance. You're discriminating against the short people. Even when my compass I look at you, now I know I'm going to be short, you know. What you want to be when you grow up like a Roderick? I want to be a police officer, a 5-year-old. But even though I'm not going to grow too tall. But when I grow up, I'm right, I always want to be a police officer, but I can't be a police officer. Them tell me I'm too short. Very disappointing to a short person. You understand what I say? So, want to know yourself. People 70 years of work. What do you mean? What about people that work all America? So all of Walmart. You see people that work all about. Age. If you retire them a place, say you feel like, so a lot of times you see people working at Walmart, you know, at the door. Them say, welcome to Walmart. Them work there as greet as some old people. Is that because them hungry and them not have no food? Some people retire from the job and then just bored at home. They rather go meet and see people and be in the thicker things so they can live longer. Do you understand what I say? A lot of people, a lot of retirees are bored at home. So they would find themselves not because they might feel no crunch financially. A lot of time they just do it to go back out there. You understand me? So them can live. Remember a person who get up all them life, been working, you go to work, you around, you go work, or you be talking to Jackie and everybody, and then they retire. You just stay home. Your kids them get big. Kids them married off, gone to college, have their own family. Some of them are alone, live a yard and daddy. Old people. The husband probably dead, and your woman. So this will send you out back in the work field. You can look at job because you want to go to Walmart, and you have your co-worker them there. You have people can say, welcome to Walmart. If just that alone make you feel good. So we shouldn't have no discrimination when it comes to age. So I want to hear so. I want to know. Me chat and I look at the comment if in Jamaica. I not see none yet. Tell me, family, if I choose a Jamaican and say 18 to 35, come on, if you know why the two women just tell me that. And the application, me say, you sure? Me say, you sure? So upon the application, I say 18 to 35. Family, isn't that discrimination? In a plain sight, in a writing, in a black and white. Wouldn't that be discrimination? In black and white. I'm not talking about you're going to be police and soldier. Because you know there's an age. There's an age limit on that. You can't expect to get an old man to go train for being a soldier. You understand me? There's an age limit on that. I understand. If you go serve your country and certain thing. I understand there's an age limit if you're going to be police, soldier and all them things there. But say a regular job down there, so. I don't care what. I could have a call center job. I could have a hotel job. There should be no age limit. Let me see it. I want to put in the comment section and edify the community, you know. Because people tell me these things I want to make sure are true. You know? Yeah? I want to know if I'm a true family. I want to know if I'm true. You know, I just run bounce this right off an Unstoppable video. Because Unstoppable just dropped a video less than 30 minutes ago. I'm going to share it. I think I'm the first person to share it on my page. I'm the first person to share that video. Alright? I'm going to put it on my page. I'm going to watch the video. It was a young man send out so many applications and resume, can't get no job. He said, my problem going through the police and soldier. Right? They say they want this and they want that. But I was looking at the man in the video, he like he's a short dude. I don't look here. I was just looking at the video, he probably be taller. But to me, it appears as if the young man was short. So while he was talking, I was looking at it, I was saying, you know what? Then what are the problem for this young man get job? You know, say probably too short, and I'm telling him too short. So that's what kind of stem me to do this video right now. You understand me? Come and see a lot of short police in America. And me know from my boy at Jamaica, me say you have to have certain height to be police at Jamaica. And like my Virgin Peter does say, they will make it look like say short people make themselves short. You understand me? On the other hand, me are these two women who just tell me in a recently, that them have problem getting job. Woman of 40 years old, so Mr. Carlos, me can't get no work. No, me I go, look here, 40-year-old woman, a strong woman in Jamaica. 40-year-old woman, a strong woman. Jamaica people strong all when they reach 100. 40-year-old woman, she's strong. She just start life. At 40, woman can't get work because you're not 35, you pass 18. So there's a, between 18 and, people are telling me, family. People are telling me, say, it's between 18 and 35. Family, they're having problems if that's the problem. If that's the thing. If that's real, this is where our lawmakers come in, family, and fix these things. Do you understand what I say, so? Whether it be PNP or Labour Right, anybody in there. This is the things them should have looked on and fix them things on behalf of the people. That there's no discrimination, no company, no come around and come discriminate against the same Jamaican people them will vote for PNP and Labour Right for decades. You understand me? Are the same people them are go out there in the workforce, just like how the Labour Right woman are go out there, as how the PNP woman are go out there, them are gonna look work and them are get discriminated against. So this is where politicians come in. And all the time I say, boy, everything gonna blame the government. But things like this, you and me can't change. Unless we bring it up on social media and some politicians see it or put some fire to it and say, boy, them gonna change it. You understand me? Things require the men them in our government to make rules and laws to just, handle on behalf of the people. You understand me? It should be no discrimination and height to go into the police and the soldier force. Not like that. Come on now. We don't expect if it be no miniman and getting a thing. Because you know me I talk about. No miniman I have been a police and so in a work boy. But me see short police and I've seen short police right here in America. Very short. Men and women carrying out their duty just like any giant. You can't go around them. Me say, you can't go around a short police in America. Not because he's short. You cannot go around them. If they say pull over, you have to pull over. If they say turn around, you have to turn around. If they say get on the ground, you have to get on the ground. Put your hands behind you, you have to put your hand behind you. And so a little short man, a leader, a big old tall man, I got jail. It happened, family. It happened. And sometimes the short man them probably do a better job than the tall man them too. When it comes to discrimination, I get the job like these women are telling me. If that's what's going on, family, it is wrong. It is wrong, and that's where me I like the government to come in to start. Pay attention and listen to the people. Listen to the people, run investigation. Even if you run sting operation down at these jobs and find out when you're going to have somebody from the government run some sting from this company. That's how you fix Jamaica. That's how you bless the people them. If companies out there do it and the government do not allow that, I mean, I say the government allow that, me talk about the work, the age. But if the government don't know the necessary authority, don't know what is going on in the workforce, that's why we come do them a video, so get the word out there. Now, I'm hoping that if somebody in authority get this video or hear what's going on, they would have set up a sting operation and find out who and who have business at Jamaica have age discrimination. Who and who are cut out. Millions people, millions of Jamaicans get cut out of the workforce if they do this? Millions of people. Someone's a past 35, no job for you. You want to go to the work field, there's no job you pass 18 and 35. So more want to know if I true. More want to know if I true. And yeah man, so big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. 67 inches to 6-7 inches tall in America. Where's the 6? James, make a look on the thing there. James Larkin 7 something. Make a look on it there. Yeah man. Big up on yourself, people. Manners and respect. At Jamaica we talk about and work. A lot of people want work. So we have to move all the barriers where India people from getting work. Right? We have to remove all the stuff. If we talk about we have built Jamaica, we want Jamaica move forward. And we want the people to go work so they can build themselves and be a pro-Jamaican. You understand me? We have to remove all the stops and all the barriers that is stopping my Jamaican people from going ahead and go work. Just like I do a video I'm going to tell you about up by Melrose Hill. Them shut down Melrose Hill, say there's some health violation. But as I follow social media and get what's going on now, people are saying that it's because I build a new highway there. Them just tell the people say a health violation and they do not plan to replace these people. Whether that be true, I don't know. But let me say that the road I speak. So the people up by Melrose Hill, them remove them because I put the highway up there. But the government come and tell them says a health violation. So them didn't give the people a chance to relocate or fix whatever the problem is so they can be placed back to work so they can fend for their family. So that's what me I tell us, Carlos, me look on it. You're supposed to remove, as a government, you're supposed to remove all the stops that is stopping people from earning. Do you understand what I'm saying? All the barriers. When Jamaica want to earn, it's what the man want to hustle at Jamaica. Because we have too much criminal out there. Too much criminal, too much youth are resort to gun. So it's when the youth them said, I want to work. Man and woman. Can nobody believe say woman now bus gun out there either? And I roll with gun, man. So whenever you see the youth them come out like this and say, I want to work, or the adults them say, I want to work, you try your best to facilitate that. You grease the wheel to make them keep spinning. You don't lock up a Melrose Hill where the people man roast yam and saltfish and I was a little boy. It's one of Jamaica's known tourist spot for us, especially the locals. So you don't shut them down and send them to them yard. What are they gonna do? If you guys gonna build a highway, figure something out before you even go to remove them. So you don't stop them bread. That there you go again, you pull out all the stops. That is gonna mess with people hustling in Jamaica. Now talk about from the height of the police, the one height requirement in the police force to the age discrimination and application form. All right, family. I hope you kind of hear something I want to and learn something today. And in Canada, the age requirement is between 18 and 35 years too. For what? To Canada for what? And what job Lataya lied? What go on Lataya? Say in Canada the age requirement for what Lataya? Is it police? Is it any job? Got no job, no age requirement there, son. As me couldn't get no work. So yes, Lataya, my old man. Hold on there. So if you come to Jamaica, I can't get no work. Or Canada. Miss Lloyd, long time no see you, big up yourself. Just seen it in the Gleaner. Maria said, just seen it in the Gleaner. They are recruiting in Western Jamaica at Rossi's High School. Short men and women can join. 5'5", 5 feet 5 inches, less than 130 pounds. Men, when you see that? 5'5". So we are talking a family. A good argument we are chat this morning. So yes, Maria said she see it in the Gleaner where they're recruiting in Western Jamaica. So I tell anybody else who have look at youth them and I look on this at Western Jamaica, Russia, in Rossi's High School. Short men and women can join. 5 feet 5 inches, less than 130 pounds. Men. So Maria said that is for the police, not for the army. So check that out, youth and youth. If you want to serve your country, you want a job where you can get some pension later. Me no want a fast job and we pay no for money. The police not pay no for money, make me tell you from now. You know, that's why no police going to go do all that stuff. But being a police officer is being a patriot. Because you're going to serve your country. You make up your mind, say, all when hell broke loose at Jamaica, you're going to put your neck on the line and you take a oath, you swear to serve your country. So big up every man and woman and law enforcement in Jamaica, whether they be police or we are soldier, or they know say the money is not even up here to family. You think the police and soldier get all that much up here, you put the neck on the line, all of the military people are got Iraq. You think they get everything? You have someone left who are doctors and dentists and lawyers. Who in the military have a pack up, left them job, gone to Iraq. Them a lawyer, you know, and them a doctor. We work with boss at my company, near reserve. You know what time is my boss not there? My boss gone for training somewhere in America. Something your boss, we are collect big money. Gone all over Iraq. I get chupans. You know what soldier who a lawyer and doctor who are reserve. You volunteer them service, man, a real patriot. What if I understand me I say? How much patriotism that is? You're a liar. Your money so big and thick, but you're going to serve your country, you're going to get tools and fuse and a gunshot and whistle off of you. Think about that. so I respect any youth right there, so who decides to them serve in the country and go out there this time when gunshot and whistle. Hats off to no. Come, I can't do it. Alright, manners and respect people. Love you know. Lolo Lewis, what I go on there? Mr. Lolo Lewis, I post something. Mr. What Lolo Lewis I say. Big up Lolo. Lolo Lewis Carlos. There's a little girl, Felicia, Russia, that was abducted from her home in St. Thomas last evening at 7 p.m. by a convicted sexual predator. Please help in the broadcasting. Please help in the broadcasting. But hold on there. Let me get to it there. Lolo Lewis. Let me get to it there. Hold on there. Come on, get your thing. Come on, so I go on. Because me I see the thing that the news, you know, Lolo Lewis. You see the thing that the news. So I'm get to the what I go on, Lolo Lewis. Come on, to spread the word. Cause them said she has said the girl was abducted by a predator. Or some serious thing in the family. That's not normal. If you don't see your daughter is out there somewhere with some dirty man. Come on, family. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. So, Lolo Lewis, I'll be going to your stuff so we can look at it. I'm going to notice you write it in a big bowl. I see it a couple times up there, Lolo Lewis. See I ball out. Carlos, me say, you don't hear me. Lolo. Big up yourself, Lolo Lewis. See? Lolo Lewis posted 1, 2, 3, 4 times on my page. The first time, 1, 2, 3, 4 times she posted because the first time I never answer her and she wanted to go out there. So she bought off of me in a big bowl. Carlos, you hear me talk to you? Me hear you, Lolo Lewis. So you call me attention. I will love you, okay? Because Lolo Lewis is like my sister, people. She's my sister. I'm going to go to Florida, Lolo Lewis. Take care of Carlos. Remember that. Like my sister. Carlos, there was a little girl, Felicia, Russia, that was abducted from her home in St. Thomas last evening at 7 p.m. by a convicted sexual predator. Please help in broadcasting for her return, and for the JCF and JDF to do better in advocating for the abuse and killing of our women and children in Jamaica. So, Lolo Lewis, I did get a message loud and clear. I'm going to put it out there. So, the young lady named Felicia Russia, she was abducted last night from her home from St. Thomas about 7 p.m. by a convicted sexual predator. I pray that she come home safe. Let's pray for a safe return. You understand me? Stay positive. Let's pray for a safe return. Because there are days when people get missing. Let's leave it right there. Let's pray for her safe return. And that man might see the videos and see himself in the news, and he might look after him and might have a change of heart. And everybody knows say you. And you don't want it. You understand me? So let go the young lady. Let go the young lady. Alright? So family, enough young lady get missing in Jamaica, enough people. But because of what is going on now and the different push and what is in the daily news, a lot of these news are pushed aside. If you notice before the drive for the big thing we're going right now, we used to see a lot of abduction in the news. You see people talk more about it. But you see less of that now because of what the focus is on now. The focus is on something else. The focus is elsewhere. So you're going to see less of the news of the youth that get abducted. You understand me? Women get killed, all the stuff. You're not going to see much of certain thing. The more you see one narrative a push. And that's why you see all the focus, even crime too. Crime gets out of hand because it seems as if we're just looking over there. And we don't look over there no more. So therefore, when you just look one place and look all over the place, you're going to miss spots, right? Right? We're human beings. If you just look one place and you don't look over there, remember we used to look everywhere. But all of a sudden, one shiny object come called Big C. And we chase it down. You know, we look on the shiny ball and we don't look over the sun no more. We don't must have a problem, naturally, right? So, big up on yourself, people. Manners and respect. Big up everybody out there in the job field and look work. Big up every young person out there who decides to look a job. Let me tell you, young people, don't go pick up no gun. Keep on yourself clean. Keep on your hands clean. Keep on your police record clean. Me tell you every day say, foreign belong to Uno. Because if Uno got the phone, Uno got the technology, Uno smarter. And when me a big man and me come a foreign, me get my first cellular phone. Uno have big old cellular phone in Jamaica. Uno already ahead of the food game. Uno already ahead in the technology field. Uno already ahead in the smart game. So them a place a phone. So nobody sit down here and think say, the world around left Uno, so Uno run down some fast things right now. The world not done. Uno in a better position to survive and jump. Uno in a better playing field right now. A better springboard in the depend than a lot of we will come America. Because enough of time when you come America, enough of the dark, we never even you use a clothes iron. Enough of no have washing machine in our house at Jamaica right now. Things and time change. Nothing remain the same, but things change. So enough of no young youth, no have no reason for your bad and do the things we not do. We don't see, me tell you now a video there, you know. We remember Doppel Film, we remember Pricky Boy, we don't remember this a youth on the dark part. Look here, who else want to get famous? Put up on your hand. Who else want to get famous, young youths? Who else will now learn from this? So me tell you over and over and as often as possible, me tell you young youth. We don't learn for what going on with them, man. We don't never learn. Big up all the youth in the job field and look at work and hold it. And me know enough and hold it, or else we'd have more criminals on the street right now. Me know that the youth will just come on the video while I go on Unstoppable. The youth will hold it, right? A youth like them, they make more gun now back in my country. You so much resume being put out there, you so much time go apply for job and them turn him down. He might show you on the little youth on the ground. He might boy him don't want the little youth come like him. The man think about little youth. He might say, boy, let me go give out an application and resume this morning because I can go do something but me can't come on back to my youth. Or send me away behind bars for a long time and I can't take care of my youth. So no youth you better start think a different way. Do not give up, my brother. If you watch a video, no give up. Go and do it the same way. Because a youth like you make can see the future in her. The youth, when you sleep on Unstoppable TV, it might be something. Can not stop. When you keep working at something, you will get somewhere, youth. Something will come out of it. It might look like you're not doing nothing now. You show the kind of person you are. Keep pushing, youth. You're going to get a job. Something will happen for you. Every young person out there, do not stop. Do not stop. Yes, you're going to see The man we are scam and the man we do criminality. Yes, you go see them a live big. You go see them a drive the car. And them a buy the expensive clothes and shoes. Do not watch them. Do not watch them, family. Don't be the next double film, the next pricky boy, and next dog paw. Don't follow them. Do not follow them. Go on Wall Lane, family. Like me tell you about myself. I never knew I would ever come to America. Me never thought about that. Because me never have nobody over here. And some of them might not have nobody over here same way. And I not think certain way. Not true. Me not go to that place. When I go to America, me not have nobody to take me over there. Sure, me just, boy, me sure my life, nobody, nothing, boy. Me not care, boy. Yo, anything or anything, boy. Because nobody not care about it. Yo, me not care, me not care about my life. More often, that's what me see. The action of the youth them nowadays is indicating that. That's what define you guys' action. Because sometimes, you guys act, me really not understand. I mean, I make no sense. Me can't make no sense out of it. You guys act at the real definition of me give up. One dead. You them say when banana want to shoot, them dead. So a lot of the youth them act nowadays, you know they're going down a certain road. You understand me? Them take them they on a certain direction and they're not gonna stop. A lot of them. Some of them will listen and they will turn back. You know? You can't put all of them in the same basket and use the same brush to paint. All youths. Enough youth get burned before them go to prison and them learn. So this video right now, I hope the youth them listen. I hope the youth them listen. I hope the youth them listen me argument to them on here. Go and go work, youth. Go and go do some farming. Do anything, youth. Instead of go do badness. You know, so not dead. Yo, on the earth, you know want dead. Yo, you shouldn't dead left on the parents, you know. You shouldn't dead left your parents. Your parents shouldn't have to bury you. Then who are going to bury your parents? Who are going to bury your parents, family? Who are going to take care of your parents when the parents them get old and can't make it, family? You come and say, oh, waste out of life and the one look security your parents should have when them get older. Who are going to take care of them, family? When this I say I go up on the road of badness, you go push and police take you out. Who are going to take care of them, family? Your parents shouldn't have to bury your family. God forbid if something should have happened to me right now. Me don't worry about my parents. Family, me think about these things all the time. That's why I don't go get into no trouble. If something should happen to me, why it happen to my parents? I'm a picnic them. Your kids them. You want the next man mind on a picnic? You want the next man coming in your life in your picnic life and diss your picnic and abuse your picnic? Because you know there no more you're going behind prison, going to lock up our police, kill a youth. Think about what I'm doing, man. We don't have no reason for you to do it. We don't see no reason for you to do it. Yes, Jamaica need jobs. We need jobs. Yes, we need work. It's like them young people need work. We need work. But most of the crimes that see going on in my country, I don't know, hunger work. Hungry youth no drive around a car with big, expensive, how much $100,000 gun, kill people and drive off. Hungry man ride up on bike and spray a whole shop and pandamino and just ride off. Big old machine gun. A hungry man work that? That sound like a hungry man to you? No, man. I don't know hungry crime are going to Jamaica, man. A money crime. Them are killing a money killing. You understand me? You know petty thief, you know petty man, you know what type of work them do. We understand. But on a big note, where you say I go on nowadays, a money killing, a money night, money involved night, car, gun, bike, this, lifestyle, is money. So me go on, family. Big up all the youths and everybody there. So let's check it out. If I discriminate them, I discriminate against it. My friend I say 5'5", them I take police 5'5". We're 5'5". We don't have 5'5" short people. But me see police are shorter than that. Me see police are shorter than that. Yeah, so if in waist fat like any police will look like us a 7 foot. Everything run in waist, not because he's short. Everything run his or her waist. Me see short female police and me see short male police. And everything run in waist and everything, all them gears is on them same way. And when them tell us to turn around or stop, you have to do that. Not because I'm short. You understand me? About the age discrimination, we need somebody who have applied somewhere in Jamaica. If you see that, some people can work on that and keep everybody working. Not true people. Alright, we love you now. Manners and respect. Talk to you guys later now. Yeah, man. Big up Unstoppable TV. A good video to do this morning. I love that.
Well, alright, that was long enough, so me not gonna come back and do too much long talking, cause I'm quite sure by now you get the point of what Jamaican Carlos was saying, right? More uno talk to me down below in the comment section. What do you think about this? Too much of a Jamaican youth, them there Jamaica want to work, and them a tell them about you're inexperienced, are you too young, are you too short? No, we can't accept that. Give the youth them a job. Seeing? And remember, go over to Jamaican Carlos YouTube channel and subscribe and leave a comment and make him know Unstoppable TV send you over there. Seeing? The link in the description. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.